What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. I got a request to look at Jeet Games. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Jeet Games is a coin that's only 4 days, 21 hours old. Obviously, the dev pumped it, the dev dumped it. It's a community takeover. There seems to be a lot of community takeovers. And the cool part about this chart is it does look like we did find a bottom on the 18th here with the possible double bottom. So we're going to do a little bit of research on this. We're going to look at the charts and the website and everything like that to see how active they are and if it might be a possible good investment or not. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jeet Games. All right, everybody, let's get into Jeet Games. So Jeet Games right now, this is their website, Jeet Games, our story. You can read this. I found this a little hard to read, so it might take you a little bit to read it due to the font, but it is what it is. Tokenomics, 0% tax, 100 million token supply with 3 million burnt. So there's only 100 million token supply, which is awesome comparative to 1 trillion plus, like a lot of other meme coins. They also have the roadmap here. Phase one, 1K holder, smart contract development, check off, website launch, check off. They checked out all phase one already. Coin market cap list, and they are listed on coin market cap, which is very attractive for me because not a lot of meme coins get listed on coin market cap. That kind of shows that they are pretty serious about the community takeover of the coin in itself. So we'll see where phase two goes, which is 2.5K holders, trust wallet logo, intrafi audit, community growth, NFT collection, all that stuff. If you want to buy, you can actually go to their website. It's at jeetgames.xyz. Look down here. They also have a Telegram, Twitter, and Instagram. We're gonna look at the Twitter because obviously the big thing about meme coins is the meme coin is your ticket into the community. And if the community is not active and they're not posting on social medias to get engagement and stuff like that, then what's the use of owning the meme coin? So we're gonna look and see how active they are on Twitter. They did post 1 hour ago. Prior to that, they posted yesterday. They post on the 17th, they post on the 16th, so they could pick up their posting a little bit. But like I said, it's a rather new coin and the dev dumped on them. So they're in the midst of getting everything figured out for the community takeover. So I give them a little bit of slack there. Once they get things figured out, things should start moving pretty smoothly. Now let's look at the chart here. Obviously, you had the dev dump right there. Then after that, you had the normal community growth from that point on, from the bottom right here. The one thing that I like about this chart is it does look like we found a double bottom here on the 18th of April. We have the one bottom here, two bottom right here, and we're currently putting in higher highs and higher lows since the 18th of April as well. Higher high, higher low, which does look like a trend reversal in my personal opinion. Now, if we draw the fibs, I think we're going to ignore the giant scam wick and just go off the normal community fib from the high to the low. What we can currently see is we are above the two. Let's make this accurate. We are above the 236 area right here. Currently trending down a little bit off a sell, obviously. But you can see prior, going back to these last two sells, every time we saw a sell, we gradually move back up. We have a sell, we move back up. We have a sell, we move back up. So I wouldn't be surprised at all if we moved our way up to around 1,000 micro pennies, which is this 382 area right here. I mean, we could see something like that, but this is the area that you really want to focus on, is getting over that 1,000. You get over that 382, that's where you can see a big momentum change and push up to that 618 there at around 1,700. But like I said, it's a rather new coin, high risk, high reward, community takeover. So definitely do your own research on this. All their links are on their deck screener and everything like that. The chart doesn't look horrible, but like I said, it's a rather new coin, so we'll see how it goes. So if we look at the shorter term time frame, such as the 30 minute, the 30 minutes actually showing that we might see a slight retracement here in the next day or so. But in the long term, this does look like the trend reversal is holding, and by tomorrow, whatnot, we could be up in that above that 1,000 resistance area, working our way up to that 618. Now, obviously, we have that resistance area, the 0.5, to contend with at about 1,300, which was this resistance right here. That's technically your moon line right there. If we get over that 0.5, that's when things are going to start to get very, very exciting. And that's what those community takeovers like to see, is when you break those heavy resistance from the dev dumping. It's kind of a slap in the face of the dev saying, hey, you dumped on us, now look at what's happening to your coin, we're taking it to the moon. So hopefully that's the case here. It's not always the case with community takeover coins, but I mean, it's a small market cap. It's only an 8.4K market cap with 5.2K liquidity. So comparative liquidity to market cap, that's a good ratio right there. Market cap to liquidity ratio, I do like that. But like I said, these are high risk, high reward plays, so let's keep an eye on it. In the meantime, we'll keep you guys updated as it plays out. With that, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.